Hey everyone, today we pick up with part 2 of our quick take on the serial comma. In part 1, we define the serial comma as the comma that separates the last two items in a series. For example, Alice enjoyed tea with her new friends, comma, Tweedledee, comma, and Tweedledum. This sentence tells us that Alice drank tea with new friends, perhaps the White Rabbit and Humpty Dumpty, with Tweedledee and with Tweedledum. The Chicago Manual of Style, the authority for published works in the U.S., strongly recommends using the serial comma, calling it, quote, a widely practiced usage blessed by Fowler and other authorities, since it prevents ambiguities, end quote. Those ambiguities include compound elements and appositives. An appositive is a noun or noun phrase that renames a nearby noun. For example, let's drop the comma in our original sentence and see how the meaning changes. Alice enjoyed tea with her new friends, comma, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Punctuated this way, without the serial comma, the sentence tells us that Alice had tea with her new friends, who, by the way, are named Tweedledee and Tweedledum. When asked, what's the most frequent punctuation error that transactional lawyers make, attorney Brian A. Garner responded, quote, failing to use the serial comma. Its omission is a mistake in legal instruments because litigable ambiguities often result. Then why do some people believe it isn't necessary? Perhaps it's because journalists do not follow the Chicago Manual of Style. Instead, they follow the Associated Press Style Guide, which advises them to omit the serial comma, a rule thought to have arisen to save space and ink in printed copy. Check out any newspaper or magazine, printed or digital, and you'll not find the serial comma. But AP governs only journalism. For the rest of us, economy is not as important as clarity. There is one exception to the serial comma rule, though. When an ampersand is used instead of the word and, as in a company name, omit the serial comma. So here we would write the law firm of Alice, comma, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. But when do we use the ampersand? For the answer and the rest of the story, go to CateTouryan.com/QuickTakes.